Let's start with 5 postnatal exercises that will help you with your core rehabilitation. So it is a core connection breath. You inhale through your nose, expanding your stomach, and exhale through your mouth. Try to meet your navel to your spine. The next is cat and cow. Inhale, extend your neck up and your glutes. Exhale, chin to your chest, round your shoulders, round your back. Once again, you inhale, expanding your stomach. Exhale, engage your core, and we start doing knee ups. Constant engaging of core is important. Every time you lose the connection, engage your core back. The other one is heel slides. Once again, engaging your core one leg at a time, toes pointing towards you. Focus on sliding your heels. The last one is glute bridge. Once again, when you go up, engage your core, your hamstring and your glutes while you do the exercise. All the best.